Here we have a PFI forest paper drill, single spindle paper drill that's treadle operated, very solidly constructed drill as well, with a sliding table. Drill bit sizes 3mm up to 9mm, and you can also get Teflon coated or tungsten drill bits. If I show you one there, if you can see on the camera there, you can tell by the black coating that's a Teflon one. But they do Teflon and tungsten for them. Sliding table, so we've got different positions, in this case 4-hole, and we have an adjustable hexagonal bar for 2-hole drilling, various hole patterns that you might need. Round the back of the drill, I don't know if the camera can just pick this up, just to control the height of the drill, there's a little adjuster that's hidden around the back, and that will control the depth that the drill bit will go down towards the cutting stick. So different size drill bits, particularly smaller ones like 3mm, start off at a shorter length, so you will have to control the depth, and once you've been sharpening the drill bits they gradually get shorter. Cutting stick can be turned over, you can just turn it over and use the other side. Simple on and off switch. Adjustable backstop with just 2 little thumb screws so we can get the margin right where you want the hole to the margin of the stop, and then simply drill through, push the button, slide it to position number 2, drill through, hole number 3, last one, hole number 4. And you can see there, I'll just turn it off, we're using wax paper on top of the stack that you just move around until there's nothing left. But the important thing with the wax paper, you get a little bit goes up through the middle of the drill bit as well as the outside to keep it all lubricated and stops blockages and things. It's very inexpensive stuff. The old days people used to use candles and things like that, but that just splatters everywhere and it doesn't do the inside of the drill bit anyway. So it's a good heavy duty drill. Comes with the spanners for changing. It's got a couple of spanners just for undoing the drill bit to change the drills there. And yeah, great little drill.